Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Harry Viral. So today I will show you how to upload a full-size profile picture on your Facebook profile. Here I show the steps by using the Facebook desktop version and mobile app also. So anyway, let's go to our tutorial. First method is by using the Facebook desktop version. Just open your Facebook official web page, then go to your Facebook profile section. Here you can move your cursor and simply place on that profile section. Here you can, and it asks for update, so simply select it. I try to pick the one image file from my local disk. And the uploading process is completed. Now it shows one editing section, and also it asks for, do you want to crop your image? So you can select skip cropping, and then it shows the entire photo will be set as a profile picture. Reposition the photo to set the thumbnail. Just I try to drag it image for a image thumbnail and select, and then click to save these changes. Then finally you can see now my full size profile picture is successfully uploaded. After refreshing this, you can see full picture is uploaded in my profile picture Facebook. And this is for PC mode. Next method is by using the Facebook mobile application. First of all, open your Facebook mobile application. In this newsfeed section, simply you can select this create post or what's on your mind, and then select photo or video. Now my mobile gallery is opening, so you can select your profile picture image and then press next. But you can change this post privacy settings into only me, and then come back and this, then go to back to the step and then click to share this post to the timeline. Once this process is completed, just close your Facebook application, and it is uploading while posting this, so wait for some time to post, and it is posted and it is locked by only me. I will cancel this messenger and then open your Google Chrome or any and search for your m.facebook.com and click on to log in your account details. Once your account is ready, you can go to your profile section. You can look at that previously shared post, but this post is only visible to you, so press this image and then scroll down. In bottom of this post, it shows the option called make profile picture. So simply select that, and then it asks for one question, and this is for your choice. So I try to select never, and then press confirm. Once you select this option, finally you can see now my full size profile picture is ready. And this trick also works very smoothly. So this is the way you can easily access and easily make your full size Facebook profile picture by watching my tutorial. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Harry Viral, and thanks for watching.